Let's divide 486 by 2. Hey super math stars! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alrighty, let's dive into our first step. We're looking at the digit 4. We'll use the digit 4 for this step. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits 2 times. Let's check 2 times 2 is 4. Perfect. Now we subtract. 4 minus 4 equals 0. We're doing great. Awesome job, you're crushing this. We've got a remainder of 0. Let's move on to the next digit. Time for step 2. We bring down the next digit 8. Now we have 8. We bring down the 8 to join our remainder of 0, making it 8. How many times does 2 go into 8? It's 4 times. Let's check. 4 times 2 is 8. Exactly right. Subtracting now. 8 minus 8 equals 0. We're on a roll. Woohoo, you're doing fantastic. Keep that energy up. Another 0 remainder. Let's grab the last digit. Last step, here we go. We bring down the final digit 6. Our number is 6. We bring down the 6 to make our new number, 6. How many times does 2 fit into 6? It's 3 times. Check it. 3 times 2 is 6. Nailed it. Last subtraction. 6 minus 6 equals 0. We finished. You did it. That's the end of our division, and you were amazing. And we have no remainder. We're all done with this problem. So, 486 divided by 2 is 243. Great job, everyone. We learned how to tackle long division step by step. Remember, every problem is just a puzzle waiting to be solved. That's all for today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.